Help you relax a little more quickly, I will be playing some music in the background. Sometimes people fall asleep doing this to music. So I recommend, instead of lying down or getting too comfortable, find yourself a place that is comfortable but not too much so. I will guide you in the meditation, and all you need to do is listen to my voice. If you get thoughts racing through your mind about what's for dinner or what you have to do tomorrow, then just focus on my voice and follow the instructions. Calmness of mind is necessary to access the mind's full potential. So let us begin. Close your eyes and gently exhale. Now inhale and tense your body. Hold. Now exhale and relax the body. Inhale and tense your body. Hold the tension. Exhale and relax the body. Now inhale once again. Tense the body. Hold. Exhale and relax the body. To help you go deeper in relaxation, you'll be relaxing each part of your body from your head all the way down to your toes. Focus your attention on your scalp and mentally repeat relax as you feel your scalp relax, the skin on the top of your head. Now focus your attention on your forehead and mentally relax the forehead. Feel the skin on your forehead smooth out. Now relax the eyes and the muscles around the eyes. Now relax the face. Relax the jaw. Relax the tongue. Relax your throat. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders, arms, and hands. Relax your chest externally and internally. Relax your abdominal area externally and internally. Now relax your back and the muscles along your spine, all the way down to the coccyx, the tailbone. Now relax your hips. Feel your hips relax and open up. Now relax your thighs, the largest muscles in your body. Relax those thighs. Deeply relax them. Now relax your knees, your calves, relax your ankles and your feet. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel your body relaxed from your head all the way down to your toes. This is your physical relaxation level. Whenever you want to relax at this level, all you need to do is scan your body from head to toe and relax it one by one. To enter a deeper mental relaxation level, practice visualizing tranquil and passive scenes. To begin, imagine a quiet summer day as you lay on the grass gazing up at the blue sky. Perhaps you see a white cloud gently float by, or birds flying in the air. Now imagine yourself lying on a beach, with your skin touching the sand beneath you, and feeling the heat of the sand radiating into your body. And from above you can feel the heat of the sun radiating deeply into your skin, into your muscles, all the way into your bones. Perhaps you feel a gentle breeze as it cools your body as beads of sweat begin to roll down the side. Or perhaps you can feel the water of the sea wash up on your feet, gently cooling your feet. Or perhaps a more active scene. Imagine yourself hiking in the forest along a trail. You hear the wind rustle the leaves above. You hear rodents or small animals scurrying in the brush below. And gently the crack of a dry twig on the path awakens you to the silence and quiet there in the forest. Now relax, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax and go deeper. Whenever you are at this level of the mind, you are more relaxed and more in tune with your highest intelligence intuition. This is where manifestation begins, in a relaxed state. I will now count from 1 to 5 and make a sound with my fingers. At that time, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. 1, 2, coming out slowly now. 3. At the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. 4 and 5, eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before.